Hurricane Helene continues to strengthen as it barrels across the Atlantic, threatening the East Coast with powerful winds and heavy rains. Currently a Category 3 hurricane, Helene is expected to bring dangerous storm surges, flooding, and widespread power outages. Coastal areas are bracing for impact as the storm inches closer to landfall. Emergency officials have urged residents in vulnerable areas to evacuate immediately. Shelters are being set up and supplies are being distributed as the region braces for Helene's impact. Stay tuned for the latest updates on Hurricane Helene as it approaches. Follow your local authorities for evacuation orders and safety guidelines. Stay safe and keep watching for more real-time updates on EDT News YouTube channel.